This is one of the most creative kitchens that you will ever see. There is nothing more soul satisfying and absolutely delicious and so easy to create. My very special egg curry. Welcome to a soul-filling egg curry recipe which I'm creating now. Just brilliant, so easy to create. It's delicious. This recipe is very close to my heart and so delicious. And to top it all, I'm using Emami Kacchi Ghani strong mustard oil. Now, this is 100% pure. And there is no other company which actually mentions it like this on their bottles. And the quality of mustard, जो राई use होती है ये तेल को बनाने में है, it's of a very, very high grade, okay? Made from the most amazing top quality mustard seeds, we are going to create a fabulous dish. Now I've got my mustard oil which I'm going to smoke very lightly, and very quickly what I'm doing is I'm just kind of puncturing these eggs a little bit, so there is a little bit of penetration of flavor as well. So just very lightly using a toothpick or a skewer will sound your trick. So first things first is I'm going to just fry these straight away, sear them off, and then start with our curry. Eggs done, perfecto. अभी लगाएंगे थोड़ा सा तड़का. So with me here, I have a few mustard seeds. I have a little bit of Jeera, peppercorns, and Ajwain. Okay, amazing tadka. Into which one medium-sized onion, chopped finely. Beautiful. So you're going to cook them down, okay, till they are nicely golden brown. Amazing. Some garlic paste. I'm also adding a little bit of Kasuri methi to this. I'm adding a very special Kasundi mustard which comes from Kolkata. Brilliant. A little bit of water here. Perfect. So this is one of those recipes which is really not from any book, but it's just understanding flavors, understanding combinations, and you come out with such a brilliant dish. Perfecto. While this is going down, I'm going to be adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. Beautiful. A little bit of salt. Nice, lovely. A little more water, and then again the emulsification happens, the evaporation of water, और at the same time हमारी ये शानदार gravy भी ready हो रही है. Now I add my eggs back into this, and then with some coconut milk added finely to give this rich, lush flavor to it. Gives this a little mix. Wow. And I'm going to slowly let this come down. I'm going to let the eggs play. Remember, we had made some holes with the skewers. So you got some kind of penetration happening as well into this. And I'm going to simmer this for about 3 to 4 minutes. और हमारी ये शानदार करी रेडी. हल्का सा लेमन जूस फिनिशिंग के लिए और बहुत सारा धनिया. अमेजिंग. Done. Oh yes, it's time to rock and roll. Oh yes. Beautiful. Some nice sauce over it. Beautiful. Some lovely deep fried curry leaves here. थोड़ा सा धनिया और हमारी शानदार सिंपल yet flavorful and soulful egg curry ready.